Hey everyone, what's up guys? I'm a blockchain smart contract developer with over 10 years of experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily earn passive income by lending crypto on Tron and also borrow against your assets, all in just a few clicks, without stress or unnecessary complications. This video will be short and straight to the point, so make sure to watch it until the end. Don't skip ahead because there are a few important details you don't want to miss. Just yesterday, I was looking for the best lending and borrowing protocol on Tron right now. Honestly, I'm pretty tired of JustLend. I've used it myself. Wallet Connect keeps disconnecting. Transactions get stuck, the platform goes down sometimes, and in some cases, funds even get temporarily locked. Just a lot of frustration. So I started searching for a proper alternative. After thorough research and testing, I found a protocol that really impressed me, Tronerva. I tested it end to end, from wallet connection to supplying and borrowing. Guys, this is on another level. Everything works much smoother, faster, and more pleasantly than on JustLend. And most importantly, the rates are significantly better for users. I'll leave the link to Tronerva in the pinned comment below. What I especially liked, the interface is very simple and intuitive. The protocol has passed multiple audits by reputable firms. Plus, everything is fully open source. You can verify the smart contracts on the blockchain yourself anytime. Let me show you how it works. We click the Launch App button, and here's the dashboard. Structurally, it's similar to JustLend, but the UI here is much cleaner, faster, and more user-friendly. All major Tron assets are supported. You can supply assets to earn yield or borrow against your collateral. For example, here's TRX. You can immediately see the supply APY and borrow APY. Now, let's check the same asset on JustLend. As you can see, the difference is quite noticeable. Tronerva offers much better rates both for lenders and borrowers. I've already moved most of my activity to Tronerva, and so far, I'm very happy with it. It works stably, quickly, and without any surprises. If you're also tired of struggling with JustLend, I highly recommend checking out Tronerva. If this video was helpful, please drop a like. It really helps the channel. Want to try it yourself? Just connect your wallet. Supported wallets include TronLink, Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, Binance Wallet, Bitgate, and almost any wallet that supports Tron. I personally use TronLink. It's the best option for the Tron ecosystem so far. That's it for this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want more useful Tron and DeFi breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.